Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. VM Group says it has made substantial progress in its rearrangement process. Speaking at a members' meeting last week, Chairman Michael McMorris says since the scheme of arrangement was approved in November last year, a number of documents have been submitted and the entity is awaiting approvals from regulators.
We registered the following new entities after approval by the court: VM Group, incorporated on February 1, 2023, and VM Financial Group, incorporated on February 1, 2023. The corporate structure now includes three new holding companies: VM Group Limited, VM Financial Group, and VM Innovations Limited. VM Group is the ultimate parent of VM Financial Group and VM Innovations. We are also awaiting Bank of Jamaica approval for the licensing of the VM Financial Group. So we make the application and await their response. We are confident, Courtney, that we will be receiving our license. But of course, it's entirely up to the Bank of Jamaica, and we look forward to their engagement. And then lastly, we would be able to then have our first AGM for the VM Group on May 2024.
VM's group restructuring comes as part of an exercise to ensure compliance with the Banking Services Act 2014. It mandates that a corporate group, which includes both financial and non-financial institutions, be reorganized by separating companies dealing with financial services from the non-financial companies. The Bank of Jamaica says artificial intelligence AI could be deployed to increase fraud detection and mitigation. BOJ Deputy Governor Dr. Jide Lewis says the central bank encourages the use of the technology and it may have to lay out guidelines as it analyzes the landscape.
Human beings are slow at identifying patterns, especially high-frequency transactions that occur over a very short window. But AI has the ability to ingest all that information, identify abnormal patterns, and shut down transactions. So these are some of the applications that are there. And certainly at the bank, we are encouraging our financial institutions to, where feasible, financially feasible, to apply and engage those types of technologies. And of course, if necessary, we will provide the general principles that they should observe as they engage with the technology.
Trading resumes today with the US dollar selling for an average $155.48. $114.96 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $191.17, while it's costing an average $170.34 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 58 points today, while the junior market gained 7 points. Leading the 47 advances were JMMB Group 7.25%, VRCR shares, Portland JSX, G West Corporation, Consolidated Bakers Jamaica, and Honeybun 1982 Limited. Among the 51 decliners, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Margaritaville Turks, ISP Finance Services, 138 Student Living, and Jamaica Public Service 7% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.